Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CAT S40 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's open the dialer because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *##06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *##225#####. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they are grouped into particular sections. Let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics. It is *##426####. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host port, time connected or signal level. We can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Let's tap on the status again, and here we've got much more info. For example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping or HB algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you the last code which will open the access email information. It is *##36245###. And as I said, we are in the email settings, so here after tapping on add account, you will be able to enter your email address and go through all available steps and all steps which are required to add the account. Here you've got also some general settings, so you can customize it, so you can swipe actions in conversation, reply all, auto advance, you can confirm before deleting, before sending, forwarding. So it's really up to you how you want to set it. After tapping on the three dots icon, you can clear picture approvals, and you can get back to also debug the settings. After tapping on it, you will be, for example, enable extra debug logging and so on and so on. So let's say a technical code. So actually this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your CAT S40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.